Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. By-elections to the 3 Meghalaya Legislative Assembly seats had been conducted in a smooth manner on the 30th of October 2021. The elections that were supposed to be conducted earlier this year had to be deferred due to lockdown restrictions for COVID-19. It was witnessed that voters had come out in large numbers since early morning to elect new representatives to the assembly seats of 13 MAWRYNKNENG, 24 Mawphlang and 47 RAJABALA constituencies, following the demise of the 3 MLAs in these 3 constituencies. In Mawphlang constituency, voting in the 50 polling stations saw a turnout of 75.95% of the total number of 33,194 voters. The contenders to the assembly seat from the particular constituency include UDP's Eugene L. Mawphlang, Congress candidate Kennedy Kriem, and NPP sitting MDC Lamprang Bla. It may be reminded that the by-elections to the Mawphlang Assembly constituency had resulted from the demise of its sitting independent MLA, Senthar Klas Sun. When spoken to, all 3 candidates expressed their hopes of winning the by-elections. As per Congress party candidate Kennedy Kriem, his main opponent for the assembly seat is newcomer Eugene L. Mawphlang of the UDP, since his late father S.K. Sun's vote bank is already in existence. However, Kennedy Kriem was confident on the retention of 90% of the total vote bank of Lamprang Bla, who had left the Congress party to contest the by-polls from the NPP.
No, sympathy will not work. It will work to some extent, but not at a large extent. UDP is the contender, close rival with me. Not at all. Well, there is, since he comes out from the Congress party, but hardly 10% that he could carry the votes to him from the Congress. But 90% they are still intact. They are with the party Congress. The response of the people is much better this time than in 2013. Because 2013 I'm fighting with Baji Elindo, the minister, the sitting MLA, 3 times sitting MLA and the minister. So it was a bit tough. But this time this is different.
Despite COVID?
Fighting corruption and misgovernance. Yes, very much. This is the first step of the 23. People, they say this is the semi-final. But I said this is a final. I want this one. It will be easier for me in 2023. Money power used by the Congress? Not at all, Bajos. Not at all. Opponents, maybe. They may use money power. Since they have lots of money, they are in government. So, but still, I couldn't say. I heard that people are saying that especially NPP, they are throwing money left and right. Even UDP also. But I couldn't have any proof at all. Just what I heard say from the people that they are throwing money.
Eugene Lingdo Mawphlang, on the other hand, lamented the fact that should he win the by-polls, football would have to be secondary, as he would have to complete his late father's task related to the welfare of the people of his constituency.
Kung mga hakitukil arfanyos ngi bangayat linti ngai laitili ke jingkerman ke jinget baka jingit kini laitili ngai hakulum ki pajba jokane konstituensi ki jongi kaba ngapan map no pajba kadai ba ngamsem lala badrung hamana kisnong mana kidong marba ipor lalong iba kim tang la shiyo ban penlong gi jinglang tang hapoki polling station tang nget bagi pajba ke sotu ini jing bai kim plat ipor ban nget skem ba lingba kini ki jinglang lalong hapo ki polling station kala wara ke sotu aki haka jingpet jonga te bro angut nama ba bro angut kila dai ki experience politicians te ngasngau ba maki bro angut te kila dai ki bla don hakani kalan la kham slam la kham bun snam but ka experience ki bayat bakani ka politics kala khamyar banyanga te ngasngau ba Bawa argut hi kidai ki contenders.
While speaking on his expectations from today's polls, the NPP candidate Mawphlang informed that he had no intention to contest from the Congress party and therefore he did not make any approach to the party for a ticket. Blah was confident of victory as an NPP candidate and said that he would bring about development to the Mawphlang constituency should he become the winner.
Em ga dikata ka pin ke bahaya da ka whole election campaign ju ya gaya ba ngam chim da dan ga mo jitmu ban ya kani tiket na Congress ti kapor kla I nga ban mi partai ban mi badan ngani ka election chiting samoi ti ha ban pet ki bri kun tip kumno ban je symbol ma ti kumta je di parti NPP wan ya khone di ka election ka ba matasi di ka kajijet mo yang ki ketong ba le terwas ki pa ba pen nomor ba kani kalong ka jile bro lanjut mo ngomong menu-menu di mi kontainer tamba mar orang lanjut ni lagi bebet di biang ba ni terwa supaya ba hari ki election campaign ki bladep iya ka jiwan juki ba nojiet juga ka Mawphlang konstitusi kanami asi ginawan berita lama ti nga don agreement scam ba ki ba kan jet yang hari ka kanti ba menta